What's up, mayang adlaw sa tanan. And today, our topic is programming and logic under sa subject nga fundamentals of programming. So sa niagi nga video, na-discuss kung unsa man jud ang programming. So, introduction ng programming, sinugdanan sa programming. Karon mo niyang sumpay, no? Unsa man ang logic, how logic or logical thinking can be applied in programming. No, unsay pulos sa logical thinking pag-abot sa programming. Nganong nganong need man ang logic sa programming. So without further ado, let's get started. So again, let's define programming is the backbone of most of the gadgets we use today. Yes, tanan gadgets karon panahona nga atong ginagamit na nanay programming, no? Niagi na sa process of programming, especially nga ng mga apps nga nadira sa imong cellphone. Over the last several decades, programming and programming languages have evolved a lot. Yes, a lot na kayo na. Dahil ang uban na mga BSIT nga mga instructor, moingon silang sa una, lisod ang programming sa una kay kuan mano-mano nilang ginatun-an. Unlike karon nga dapat sayo na lang para sa ato kay daghan na tay mga resources nga makuha online. Di na ta maglisod, mangutana lang ta kung saan na siya, kung saan na siya. And of course, daghan na pud tay mga programming languages karon. Di para sila sa una, moingon na sila sa una ang gamit na mo Pascal, ingana. Lisod, no? Some may call these changes a life-changing evolution. Of course, kay sayo na lang jud karong panahon na tungod sa daghay resources jud nga makuha, no? So walay rason nga moingon nga lisod. Example, mga AI, pwede ka mga tabang sa AI kung sao na siya pagsugbat. Pero dili ka magsalig solely, no? Kay dili mag-function na imong utok ana, dili siya makatabang when it comes to kanang the enhancing own intelligence pag-abot sa programming or logical thinking, no? Now, what is logical thinking? Logical thinking is one of the most necessary skills for success in programming. Not just in programming, but in every fields nga atong masudlan, importante ang logical thinking. Because logical thinking mo ni ang atong skill to solve a lot of problems. There are many ways to improve your programming language. But the most important thing you can do for your kids is to encourage them to start early. Maayo ni sugdan para sa mga bata kay fresh pa ilang utok, mga batag utok, dali pa lang sila makadumdum, no? Maayo na siya in early pa lang ma-develop na dayon aron pagtiguang nila mas mo-enhance pa jud. Kung saan man ang uban mga pamaagi aron ma-enhance ang ilang logical thinking. Playing chess, solving simple puzzles, working through Sudoku puzzles, and other similar games enhance logical thinking. Dili kay puro kabuang, puro TikTok ang ginatudlo sa inyong mga bata. Tuloy ka nag mga brain enhancement skills, brain enhancement games, or mga butang nga makatabang sa ilang brain development in early age. Programming logic. In a real-world programming scenario, high-level logical thinking skills are critical. How can you build stronger logical thinking abilities? We have compiled a few of the top 10 tips to improve your programming logic in languages such as C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, JavaScript, Perl, Shell Script, and many more. So, muna ang mga programming languages nga pwede matun-an. Depende kung asa ka komportable. However, kinahanglan gyapon nimo magets ang kada rules aning bawat isa. Kay bawat isa ka language na nay set of rules nga dapat sundon. So dira ma-apply ang logical thinking nimo kung saon na nimo siya i-cluster og maayo, no? Aron mas masabtan or unsaon na nimo paggamit, unsay diskarte nimo na paggamit pagsulbad sa problema bahin sa computer nga mga butang. Reading about data structures and algorithms will boost your logic and reasoning skills. So, munang sinugdanan. Again, sa ganang mga algorithms mo ng set of instructions nga atong ihatag aron ma-perform o aron makuha ang atong desired outcome. Like in mathematics, may nga na, data structures or planning. Wala yung mga logic and reasoning skills. Thinking about and writing algorithms is a great activity as well. Take a sorting or searching problem and try to come up with different solutions on your own. So, in other words, on your own. Kung saan mo ma-develop ang imong logical thinking skills o sige ra kag agad sa uban, sige ra kag gamit og AI, no? Dapat jud para makabalo ka, work on your own. Then compare what you've come up with two known algorithms. As you read, understand, and practice algorithms, you can also read resources on a target programming language. Target programming language meaning mamili ra kag isa. Not necessarily tanan tun-an. Mamili kag isa kung asa ka komportable, then practice eh. Daghay mga resources nga makita online kung unsaon na siya gamiton. It is also important to master common data structures such as arrays, LIFO, FIFO, linked list, hash maps, and more. All logic programming languages can be generalized into a category of programming language called declarative. Anong gitawag ba na silang declarative language? No? Like for example, sa Python language, na yung ginatawag nga variable, di ba? For example, puta kag age, and then equals. Nabot nga dayon nimo maunsa nga number. So kana, example 18 imong ibutang. Gi-declare nimo nga ang value sa age is 18. Mo gitawag nga declarative language eh. Declarative language. You are declaring something to give it a value. Ihatagan nimo siya value i-declare na ko nga kining nga age is 18. Another example variable is let's say name. And then butang equals. Butang nimo imungan. Ang name ani kana. Gi-declare nimo kana iyang name. So yung nana. They share the same idea of analyzing computations. Let's example math. Napo na siya yung mga declarations. Unsay value ng x, unsay value ng y. So yung nana. The computation is satisfied by specifying the properties of the correct answer. Logic programs can be interpreted using two main concepts, truth and logical deduction. Logical deduction determines whether a logical clause is a consequence of the program. All logical programming languages have exact operational meaning and most support the processing of finite sets. All logical programming languages have exact operational meaning and most support the processing of finite sets. The program themselves are instructions for execution by a computer. Ang mga programs mauna naa sa ilang mga instructions nga sundon sa computer. Hinimo na sa programmer aron sundon i-execute sa computer aron makuha ang ilang desired outcomes. These instructions are always interpreted as logical statements and clauses, and the result of the execution is a logical consequence. Kibali mga instructions, they are interpreted as logical statements. Kibali, you are stating kung unsa ang instruction. Kanang mga instruction mo na statements. And then ang resulta sa execution, may gitawag nga consequence of the computation. So nga na siya sabton. Using logical languages and other declarative language offers three main advantages. Una, logical programming languages are high-level language that implement computations logic, offering powerful pattern matching and good memory management, making them ideal for expressing complex ideas and algorithms. Kaduha, logical programming languages enable data representation both extensionally and intentionally, generating adjacency lists for easy access of data elements derived dynamically from configuration rules. Logic programming languages are ideal for quick data interpretation and complex ideas implementation due to their compact syntax and logical nature. Prolog coding is easier due to its short and precise syntax. Unsa may mga example ng mga logic sa programming, no? Like for example, kining conditional statements using if or else word. These statements execute different blocks of code based on whether a specific condition is true. Try to look at here from example. Python program language ang gigamit. Example, age. Akong i-declare ang age, let's say 16, and then if age ha kini mo ni siya age. Kung ang edad kuno is greater than or equal to 18, print. Ano sa meaning anong print, no? Ang print, ang pasabot anong print is i-show, i-display ang output, no? Dili print nga, print ka sa papel, no? Ang pasabot ana sa Python, i-display ang output. Kasi dapat kinalalabasan na imong gusto makuha. Print you are an adult. Kung dili, else print you are a minor. Okay. So ira na to siya. You are a minor. Another logic is loops for while. Loops allow you to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a certain condition is met. Like for example, for I in range, open and close parenthesis, 5. Then print I. Run. So yan na siyang output. 0, 1, 2, 3. Kung atualis dan siya value, 8. Then run. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last example is Boolean expression. So I say Boolean expression is all about kung ang iyang outcome is true or false ba. Example. Run. True. Because 10 or x is greater than y is true because ang value sa x is 10, ang value sa y is 5. Ang 10 is greater than to y. Now let us move on how to improve your programming logic. Logic in programming is a fundamental key to be a good developer. Maybe, depending on your job place, you are going to use more algorithms or not. If you are a web designer, probably you are not going to deal with complex algorithms. But if you are front-end developer, maybe a little more. And if you are back-end developer, much more. Say pasabot anang front-end. Front-end meaning appearance, gawas kanang sa iyarang atubangan nga unsay nakita in front, unsa may makita sa tao at bang. Ang back-end mo nang process sa likod, behind ana, no? Mo nang when we say back-end developer, much more need yun na siya, mas daghag kanang need nimo mag think logically kay naman ka behind ana ang process ana sa likod. Kaya front-end naman ka, usually front-end mga web designer naman na, di ba? Ang kuan naman, ang atbang unsa ray makita sa tao, no, sa imong design. Kay front appearance naman na siya. Pero ang back-end, when we say back-end, process na behind ana, no? Kung unsay mga lihok sa likod ana, mura siya behind the scene ba? Di lalim. Number 1, think to solve. Programming is about solving problems. A good technique is to split the big problem in small ones. So na-mention ako atong niaging video, mas nindot nga technique pag nakay problema, bahino na nimo, dili na nimo tib-on tanan. Bahino nimo ang kada gamay nga piraso mo na imong hinay-hinay human hantod sa matibo na nimo tanan. Ingana na siya, no? Practice, of course, practice code lang ng code. Wa kay laing buhaton, wala lang i-apply ra nimo na kay mauna-unaon. I-code nimo, practice, sige ra kag lihok. Abi nimo ang better jud ana, no, practice ra jud. Wala na laing tips tana jud. Practice. It is all about practice because practice makes perfect. Katapusan. Learn about data structures and algorithms. Learning about structures will give you a better plan to focus your problems and have an efficient software. You can play games like chess and practice mathematics. Muna makapaboost sa imong logical thinking. Learn programming paradigms. A very good point is to learn programming paradigms. Probably one of the most programming paradigms is the object-oriented paradigm, or OOP. A programming paradigm is like a blueprint to follow to create our projects. You can learn functional programming to learn how you can develop programs and solve problems in a different way. Based sa dagway, mo siya flowchart, di ba? Kung makita, mo siya flowchart. Is step by step, kung asa siya connected ba? Mura kaya ba siya planning? Nabilong kaya ba siya sa planning? And 5, look at other people's code. In programming, we have many ways to solve problems. Maybe another person solved the problem that you have in an optional, optimal, and simple way. Looking at other people's minds is essential to advance as a programmer. You have GitHub to see a lot of great projects. So, kano ni mo imong pride, di ba? Dili man ta perfect nga pagkatao. No? Need gyapon na to ang tabang gikan sa uban. Like, nakay problema, di mo masulbat, mga yung tabang. Kanay mong pride, no? Sa laing tao, maka-learn gyapon tagdaghan sa ila. Muna yung no man is an island, di ba? Maglisod ka, mangutana, or na kay mga difficulties, magpatabang, tanaw ka sa ilang gibuhat, then you apply. Dili pasabot na yung sundugon ba? Murag dito lang ka, like, use them as your kanang reference, not i-copy paste nimo, no? Kung sa ilang gibuhat, murag kuan ba, absorb what you see from what they did. I-absorb nimo kung unsay imo makita sa ilang buhat, then i-apply nimo in a different way, in a unique way. Sa inga na nga process, makabalo ka, mag-improve ang imong logical thinking. Then that's it. Thank you for listening.